Guys coming from a steel machining background or a woodworking background may not be used to continuous chips in the manner that plastic produces them, or they may underestimate the strength of the chips. So we're just going to take a little cut here. And this will highlight one of the primary concerns that a newbie might experience. As you can see, the chips begin to pile up underneath the chuck. And when I say chips, that's one chip. It's continuous. And the danger there is this. The chips continue to pile up. They reach the chuck. They wrap around. And they grab things and they flail around and people get hurt. One of these isn't that strong. But all of them is pretty strong. So if you have 1,000 strands wrapped around there, you have to watch out that you don't get caught or whipped, or that it doesn't grab. Say you have some tools laying around maybe where you shouldn't, it can grab them and throw them. So you really want to be cautious that you don't let this accumulate underneath your rotating workpieces or cutters.